Hello world, it's your man B9 back with another video for you. I hope and pray that you are having a wonderful day. Make sure that you hit the like button for me. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have the notification bell to all. Make sure you share this video out with friends and family and community. Let's get to it. This video is for my main man, Fuzzy Panda. He sent me a request and asked me a question, and B9 is for the people. So here you go, big dog. Appreciate the love. Sending it right back to you. His question was, what is an IPO? He's hearing a lot of buzz with IPOs. Here we go. An IPO is an initial public offering. That is when a company that has been private has now decided to go public and trade on the New York Stock Exchange or on the NASDAQ or in some cases the OTC market. To go get and qualify for an IPO, you have to file with the SEC. You have to file what is called an S1, which makes all of your financial information public and allows the SEC to do its due diligence and make sure that you are a reputable company whose books and accountants match up with what you're saying, and they make sure that the consumer is actually buying in at the company for which you are advertising. If you say you are a company that is worth $1 billion, prove it to the SEC through your S1 form. If you are a company that's worth $100 billion, prove it. Because there are a lot of companies out there that will say they're worth something, but they're not really worth it. And they scam investors like you and me into paying more money or believing in a company that is a sham. So the SEC squashes most of that. Nothing is 100% guaranteed, but they squash most of it through the S1 filing. You can always go to the sec.gov to find out any information on any company that's going public through an IPO. Now, there's another way that you can go public, which is called a SPAC, an SPAC, a Special Purpose Acquisition Corporation. Now, what they do is they are a blank check company, and they are already publicly traded on the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange, and a private company such as UTS, Hostess, WeWork, they all went public through SPACs. So there are two ways that you can go public as a private company trying to trade on the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. That is either through an IPO or a SPAC. An IPO is the more traditional way of going about things because it goes through an investor, what they call a party, where you have to entertain investors and you have to sell them on your idea and on your company, hoping that they will put their money behind your company before it even goes public and hits retail investors like you and me. In most cases, SPACs don't do that. SPACs start out usually at $10 per share, and you can load the boat up on it. And when they make an acquisition or an announcement on an acquisition, that usually dictates how the price moves either up or down. SPACs also come with something that is called a warrant. The warrant allows you to pay a specific price for a stock, irregardless of what the current price of it is. When you make a deal that you're going to buy a SPAC at a certain price, that deal is etched in stone. But you have to be very, very careful with the warrants because the warrants do expire. And if your warrant expires before you redeem it and purchase the stock with it, you're stuck with a dead warrant. This means you're stuck with dead money. So as a recap, IPO is an initial public offering. That is how private companies go public. Coinbase just went public through IPO. Robinhood just went public through IPO. There are a lot of new companies that will be coming up through IPO that we will be discussing, that we will be talking about. There are a lot of SPACs that are coming down the pike that we will be discussing, that we will be talking about. WeWorks is one of them. Donald Trump just came out with a SPAC that we will be delving into in a future video. So there's a lot going on here at the B9 Nizzle channel. I hope I'm not going too fast for you. If I am, put it in the comment. Tell me to slow down. Tell me what you need me to go over again. The same way Fuzzy Pandas reached out to me and is getting this love, you can get it too. Even though Fuzzy Panda is my folks. All of y'all are my folks. All of y'all can get this love. Just communicate with me. Put it in the comment section. And I will make a video for you if I feel it can help you and the group out. IPOs, SPACs, a lot of information coming. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. And we'll be talking about that Donald Trump SPAC probably tomorrow, unless something catastrophic blows that out the water. Stay tuned. Holla at you. Love you. Peace.